Camel. We often hear of the desert, especially when speaking of the Middle East and the Arab lands. With its extreme climate and scarce natural resources, the desert portrays a world that is harsh and difficult to inhabit. Scorching heat by day and piercing cold by night make the desert seem incapable of sustaining life. Yet despite its severity, the desert shelters a unique and surprising ecosystem. Inhabited by plants and animals that survive in remarkable ways. Among its most iconic inhabitants and a symbol of life in this barren expanse stands the camel. The camel is not merely an ordinary desert animal. It is a symbol of strength, endurance, and a deep bond with the Arab world. In the burning sands, where temperatures can soar to 50 degrees Celsius by day and drop sharply at night, the camel survives in extraordinary ways. More than a wandering creature, the camel has long been a faithful companion to explorers, traders, and desert dwellers for thousands of years. Its hump, rich with stored fat, serves not only as a reserve of nourishment, but as a sophisticated mechanism for survival. As a creature of arid lands, the camel conserves energy and moisture within its body with remarkable efficiency. Its hump helps regulate body temperature under the blazing sun. And at night, it limits heat loss, shielding it from extremes that can approach freezing. This natural adaptation makes it a true sovereign of the desert, capable of enduring even amid scarcity of water and food. Beyond that, the camel is an irreplaceable symbol of Arab life and culture. In Arab history, it has played a vital role, not only as transport, but as a source of sustenance. Since ancient times, camels have traversed vast deserts in trade caravans, carrying precious goods between cities such as Mecca, Medina, and Cairo. They are the ships of the desert, capable of traveling thousands of kilometers while bearing heavy loads without complaint. The strength and resilience of the camel rendered it priceless in the Arab world. In Bedouin tradition, it symbolizes wealth and honor. Camel trading became a valued commodity, and social status was often measured by the number one owned. Yet it is not only its utility that commands respect, but also its profound symbolic place in Arab culture. The camel lives on in ancient poetry, embodying beauty, steadfastness, and patience in the face of hardship. Remarkably, camels are highly adaptable to desert hardship, owing to their efficient metabolism. They can survive by drinking only once every 10 days. Yet when they do drink, their bodies can absorb up to 200 liters of water in just 3 minutes. Camel red blood cells have a unique shape that enables them to absorb and retain large volumes of water. Even in intense heat and extremely low humidity. With this ability, the camel becomes unmatched in surviving deserts where water sources are nearly absent. It is not water conservation alone that makes the camel exceptional. Its breathing mechanism also sustains its life. When exhaling, moisture is trapped in the nasal passages and reabsorbed into the body. This natural system maximizes water retention, an efficient survival strategy in an arid environment. The camel does not rely solely on its hump and breathing system. Its thick coat acts as a natural shield against the burning sun. Under intense sunlight, its fur reflects radiation, protecting the body from excessive heat. Their long eyelashes guard against blowing sand, and a third eyelid clears particles that enter the eye. Even their ears are lined with fine hairs that prevent sand from entering the ear canal. In diet, the camel is an intelligent herbivore. With tough lips that shield its mouth from sharp cactus spines, it can chew thorny plants that contain vital moisture and nutrients. Cactus becomes a critical resource during drought, supplying moisture and electrolytes essential for survival. Though desert vegetation is scarce, the camel's efficient digestive system extracts maximum nourishment from every bite. Beyond physical adaptation, the camel's resilience in facing desert hardship is striking. For millennia, it has served as the principal means of transport across the sands. With the capacity to carry up to 800 pounds and travel 40 miles a day, they transport valuable goods across vast and demanding terrain. They are living vehicles of immeasurable worth to desert communities. Beyond transport, camels provide milk and meat. Camel milk, rich in nutrients, has long been a staple in many Arab diets. Camel meat is valued and often served at celebrations. Economically, camels hold significant worth, with herding practices extending across the Middle East, North Africa, and even Australia. Camels also possess a unique reproductive cycle. Their gestation period ranges from 13 to 15 months, depending on the species. A newborn camel can stand and walk within 30 minutes of birth, yet remains dependent on its mother for the first 10 to 18 months. With a lifespan of 40 to 50 years, the camel ranks among the most enduring and steadfast creatures in the world. The camel is a creature shaped to endure the most extreme conditions. It stands as a symbol of natural resilience, courage, and extraordinary adaptation, making it one of the most respected creatures in the Arab world and beyond. In this barren and unforgiving desert, the camel arises as a guardian of life, moving steadily across endless sands with unshaken resolve.